Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick recording of how to use the basic Panopto recorder for PC. So what you'll see here is that recorder window right here, and I'm going to step through the various things that are on this front page here that get the recorder up and running. So the first thing is this big record button. You don't want to hit that yet. You want to make sure that you have everything set up correctly first. You can do a webcast and record from here, which means you can actually broadcast your screen capture out to your students if that's what you want to do. I just want to be clear here that what I mean is that you can create a live streaming session that would broadcast to your students in real time. You'll note here the next thing we've got is folder name. It says offline recording. You can record and save your recordings offline, or you can record and upload directly to a folder on the Panopto server, and you can just click this button here to get to that folder. Folders are automatically created based on your assigned courses in Canvas. I've only got one folder in here right now. It's Panopto demonstration course. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to add a new session. And you can see that folder name has changed right here. I'm going to record a new session called, I can call it whatever I want. I'm going to give it the incredibly original name of test session. All right. So the next thing going down that we have here is the primary source window. The basic thing that you need to record a Panopto recording, the minimum that you need, is an audio channel. Note the audio meter here. This will tell you whether or not your microphone is active. So right now I have a webcam microphone, a webcam with a built-in microphone, so I'm getting my video from there and my audio from there. But you do have to have, at minimum, an audio channel running through Panopto. We've got quality standards here, standard, high, and ultra. I'm keeping it at standard just because if I find that I need more detail, I would probably bump that up, but for now, that's just where I'm keeping it. Then my secondary capture sources, I've got capture a PowerPoint. You can check that. What that does is it indexes your slides very nicely. If you have animations built into your PowerPoint slides that you're trying to capture, you're going to want to capture your primary screen as well as your PowerPoint, because the PowerPoint capture is static. It's just the final look of each individual slide. You don't get the animations or anything like that. So you'd want to capture your primary screen as well. You also have a capture screen too. If you have a second screen, I happen to, you can check this box. You get a new tab that comes up and you can see this is my presenter window for my PowerPoint presentation. I don't really want to capture that and send it out to students, so I'm going to uncheck that. I can add additional video sources if I want. Then down here at the very bottom we have some resolution settings and some bitrate settings. Again, these have to do with quality. I'm just going to leave them as they are for now, and if I find that my captures are not of an appropriate quality, I will bump them up. But basically you just want to kind of run through, make sure everything looks the way you want it to look, and then you can just click this giant record button. When I click it, it tells me it's starting my devices. I can pause. It's capturing my webcam. If I pause, it does actually capture everything in the pause. And so if you forget to unpause and start again, that stuff is all going to be available to you up on the server. And you'd have to get into the edit window, and you can actually restore paused chunks, chunks that you've accidentally paused out, which I think is kind of cool. So you can pause it, and you can see it says resume. I've resumed, yay. And then I can just stop it. And it's completed successfully. It's going to take me to the recording status tab. I'm going to say OK. Showing me what my upload progress is. That continues to upload even if you walk away. It happens in the background on Windows. Yeah. One of the nice things, by the way, about the PowerPoint capture is that it will index your PowerPoint slides, and it will also index and make searchable your presenter's notes. It doesn't show them to users, to students, but it does capture them and make them indexed for searchability, which I think is also kind of cool. All right, so that's just a quick walkthrough of the basic recorder interface for Windows. If you have more questions, let us know.